Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and opportunities across Africa. Today, we're diving deep into the top 5 business ideas that are not just surviving, but thriving in Africa right now. These ideas are reshaping industries, creating wealth, and transforming lives across the continent. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or just curious about Africa's booming business landscape, this video is for you. Stick around and let's explore how you can be part of Africa's incredible growth story. First on our list is Agritech Solutions. Agriculture isn't just a way of life in Africa. It's the backbone of many economies. But here's the twist. Farming in Africa is going high-tech. Imagine drones surveying farmlands, apps connecting farmers directly to buyers, and mobile platforms providing real-time weather updates and crop advice. This isn't the future. It's happening right now. Startups across the continent are developing innovative technologies that are revolutionizing agriculture. From precision farming tools that help farmers maximize their yields to blockchain solutions that ensure transparent transactions and fair prices. Companies like Farmcrowdy in Nigeria and Twiga Foods in Kenya are leading the charge, showing that agritech is not just about farming. It's about creating a sustainable future. Why is this business idea thriving? Well, Africa has the world's largest share of uncultivated arable land, and with a rapidly growing population, the demand for food is skyrocketing. Agritech isn't just filling a gap, it's creating new opportunities for growth and sustainability. If you're passionate about technology and agriculture, Agritech could be your gateway to success. Next up is a sector that's taking Africa by storm: e-commerce platforms. With more people getting online every day, the way Africans shop is changing fast. No more long trips to crowded markets. With just a few taps on your phone, you can have anything delivered right to your door. But it's more than just convenience. E-commerce is unlocking access to goods and services like never before. Jumia, often dubbed the Amazon of Africa, has paved the way. But the e-commerce landscape is vast and varied. From fashion and electronics to groceries and even digital services, local and niche platforms are popping up everywhere, catering to specific markets and needs. This boom is driven by rising internet penetration, mobile money services, and a growing middle class that's hungry for convenience and choice. Why is e-commerce thriving? Simple. Africa is mobile first. With more people accessing the internet via smartphones than anywhere else in the world, the potential customer base is enormous. And as delivery networks improve, the barriers to e-commerce success are falling away. If you're looking to start a business that's at the cutting edge of retail, e-commerce is where it's at. Number 3 on our list is Renewable Energy Solutions. Imagine living in a place where electricity isn't just a switch away. For millions across Africa, this is a daily reality. But here's the game changer. Africa is embracing renewable energy like never before. From solar power to wind farms, renewable energy businesses are lighting up the continent. Why is this sector booming? Africa enjoys abundant sunlight and vast spaces ideal for wind energy. With traditional power sources being costly and unreliable, renewable energy is not just an alternative, it's a necessity. Companies like M-KOPA in Kenya are making solar energy affordable and accessible, even in the most remote areas. Renewable energy is about more than just power. It's about empowering people. With more reliable electricity, kids can study at night, businesses can operate efficiently, and communities can thrive. If you're passionate about sustainability and making a difference, the renewable energy sector offers immense potential. Now let's talk money, specifically Fintech Innovations. Africa is home to some of the most innovative financial solutions in the world. With traditional banking services out of reach for many, Fintech is revolutionizing how people save, send, and spend money. From mobile banking and payment apps to microlending platforms and blockchain-based financial services, Fintech is making financial inclusion a reality. M-Pesa in Kenya, the pioneer of mobile money, has paved the way, and now countless startups are offering tailored financial solutions that cater to Africa's unique needs. Why is Fintech thriving? With over half of the African population lacking access to formal banking services, Fintech is bridging the gap. Mobile phones are ubiquitous, and with them comes the power to manage money in ways never before possible. If you have a knack for tech and finance, the Fintech space is bursting with opportunities. Last but certainly not least is education technology, or EdTech. Education is the key to unlocking Africa's potential, and EdTech is breaking down barriers to quality education. Whether it's online courses, mobile learning apps, or virtual classrooms, EdTech is transforming how Africans learn. Why is EdTech booming? Africa has a young and eager population, hungry for skills and knowledge in a rapidly changing job market. Traditional educational institutions can't always meet this demand, but EdTech can. Startups like Andela, which trains software developers through online platforms, are leading the way, proving that talent can be nurtured anywhere. EdTech is about more than just convenience. It's about equalizing access to education. Whether you're in a big city or a remote village, with the right tools, you can learn anything. If you're passionate about education and technology, EdTech offers a world of possibilities. So there you have it, the top 5 business ideas thriving in Africa right now. From Agritech to EdTech, these sectors are not just profitable. They are transforming lives and driving progress across the continent. Africa is a land of opportunity, and with the right idea, you could be part of its success story. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights into Africa's dynamic business landscape. Got a business idea or success story you'd like to share? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.